Wait until you see this vase in the dark. I'll show you a secret trick to make it look like a high-end designer lamp. Watch till the end for the final reveal. An old crystal vase can be much more than just a flower container. We need a base. A plastic jar of the right diameter is perfect for this. Here is our set. An RGB lamp with a remote, a socket, a cable, and a plug. First, we drill a central hole in the lid at exactly the size of the socket. Now, let's prepare a hole in the side for the power cable. Carefully strip the contacts and securely fix the wire in the socket terminals. Moving on to the plug. We disassemble it to correctly connect our cable. make the plastic base fit tightly in the vase, we'll use a little trick: thicken the edges with wire scraps. magical nightlight is ready. Now, this vase will delight you every evening. If you like this transformation, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart DIY projects.